Model of this machine, F450. Clean the recovery tank. Remove the drain pipe. Drain the wastewater. Take out the float cage and clean it. Install the float cage. Remove the water baffle cover. Remove the magnetic brush roller. Clean any dirt on the brush. Then rinse the brush with water. Loosen the yellow nut. Then remove the squeegee. Disconnect the vacuum hose. Rinse the squeegee blade with clean water. Release the latch. Loosen the anti-collision wheel nuts and remove the 2 anti-collision wheels. Remove the 2 locking plates from the squeegee blade. Then flip the squeegee blade upside down. Then align the holes on the squeegee blade. Then reinstall the 2 locking plates onto the squeegee blade. Finally, lock the latch. Align the 2 anti-rotation wheels. Tighten the screws and nuts. We install the squeegee onto the machine. Install the vacuum hose. Remove and clean the filter screen. Clean the top of the battery to prevent motor corrosion. Also check whether the battery wiring is loose. Inspect and clean the sewage tank cover seal.